The Parrot and Pigeon. Once upon a time, a parrot lived on a tree. One day, it left its nest in search of food. When a pigeon saw an empty nest of a parrot, it started living there. After a few days, the parrot came to its nest. It saw a pigeon there and started fighting with it to leave its nest. At that moment, a jackal was passing by. He asked both of them not to fight and told them to come to him. As soon as both went to him, he ate them. Moral: never trust a stranger. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and get notified.